Victims of Porterville traffic accidents should know what a powerful piece of evidence dashcam footage can be in a personal injury case. It assists in proving which parties should be held accountable after an accident, helping to make sure you receive fair compensation for your injuries. If you've chosen to pursue a personal injury claim on your own, it's possible to request dashcam footage as a private citizen. However, Porterville attorneys have a professional advantage here. Personal injury attorneys can use legal tools like subpoenas and preservation letters that force agencies, companies, and drivers to hand over dashcam footage before it's deleted. They also know exactly who to contact and how to navigate the system, making it much faster and easier to get the video. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured in an accident in Porterville, contact Maison Law right away.